Best free PDF editor software. PDF editing sounds simple until the file needs the one change your tool cannot handle. The right free PDF editor software depends on whether the job is signing, page cleanup, compression, conversion, design, or real document editing. Name the PDF problem first. Before choosing a PDF editor, look at the file for a second. Are you redesigning the document so it looks more professional? Or is the file private enough that uploading it to a website feels risky? A tool can be excellent for organizing pages and still feel weak for editing text. So the right choice starts with the PDF itself, not with the most famous brand, PDFgear, a balanced starting point. PDFgear is one of the strongest free options for everyday PDF work. That makes it useful if you want one main tool instead of jumping between 5 different websites for every small change. It feels more capable than a basic PDF viewer, but it does not feel as heavy as professional document software. Remember that PDFs are not always easy to edit. If a file is scanned, locked, badly formatted, or designed with many separate elements, even a good editor can struggle. PDFgear is a strong first choice, but no PDF editor can turn every file into a perfectly editable document. PDF24 for repairing the file itself. PDF24 is especially useful when the problem is not the text, but the structure of the document. It is not trying to look like a luxury writing app. It feels more like a set of tools you open when something needs to be repaired, resized, combined, or cleaned up. The desktop version is useful for Windows users who prefer working locally, while the online tools are convenient for quick jobs. LibreOffice Draw for careful local edits. LibreOffice Draw is a free desktop option that can open and edit PDF files, but it works with a different logic. That can be useful if you need to move objects, adjust text boxes, or make visible changes on the page. But it can also feel strange if you expect the file to behave like a normal document. Some layouts may not import perfectly. That does not make LibreOffice Draw a bad option. It just means you should use it carefully and review the exported PDF before sending it. It is best when you want a local free tool and you do not mind doing a final check. Canva when the PDF needs presentation. Canva belongs in a different category. That makes it useful for proposals, worksheets, checklists, resumes, flyers, lead magnets, simple presentations, and branded files. You can import a PDF, adjust design elements, change text, replace images, and make the page feel cleaner or more polished. The limitation is precision. If you need advanced redaction, complex forms, legal document handling, or exact control over every PDF element, Canva may not be the best tool. But when the goal is visual improvement, it can be faster than using a traditional editor. Sejda and Xodo for quick browser edits. Sejda and Xodo are useful when you want to edit a PDF directly in the browser. The caution is that free online PDF editors usually have limits. Those limits can involve file size, page count, daily tasks, downloads, or certain advanced features, so they are not always the best choice for heavy daily. They are best when the document is not too sensitive, the change is simple, and you want to finish quickly. For private contracts, financial documents, identification files, or confidential work papers, a local desktop option is usually a safer habit. Adobe Acrobat Online and Smallpdf for occasional tasks. Adobe Acrobat Online is useful because many people already trust Adobe when they think about PDFs. These tools can be excellent for occasional tasks, but they may not be the best free solution if you need frequent editing, advanced features, larger files, or repeated download. Use them when convenience matters, but check what the final export allows before relying on them for every document. Let the document define the editor. Use PDFgear if you want a balanced free editor for everyday PDF work. Use PDF24 if you mostly need to merge, split, compress, convert, rotate, or organize files. Use Canva when the PDF needs to look more polished. Use Adobe Acrobat Online or Smallpdf when you want familiar online tools for occasional tasks. The simple rule is this: do not treat every PDF like the same problem. A form, a contract, a scanned page, a brochure, and a compressed upload file all need different kinds of help.